Today's video, we are going to be unboxing the February Discovered Beauty Box. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. So yeah, today's video, we are going to be unboxing the February Discovered Beauty Box. Is it just me, or do you miss the spotty envelope that it used to come in? The last couple of boxes, it's just been a normal grey one, but not that it matters, it's the contents that matters. And with this box, it's always awesome. So here is the box. This costs £30 per month. It says on their website you'll get anywhere between 4 and 6 products, but I've had boxes that have had way more products in than that. These boxes, like I say, time and time again, I've never been disappointed with one of these boxes. They've always been fantastic. The odd time you get products that you get floating around in other boxes, but 95% of the time you get products in here that are new to a subscription box. I'll leave a link down below in the information box and the comment box. If you click it and you get your first box, it gets you £3 off, I believe. I think it's £3. Click it just to double check. A saving is a saving. It is too late to get this box. I do apologise. You have to order it before the 10th of the month to get that month's box. And I pay for this box myself, so I get it when everybody else gets theirs. I don't get PR, unfortunately. If I did get PR, I'd get it early to show you, but alas, I'm not lucky enough. But let's have a sneaky peek to see what is in here. Right, we have a thank you card, just thanking her for her purchase. We have the edit card, which has the information on all the products. What lovely colours. It just says this edit is called Double the Love, and somewhere on here, yeah, it says that the total February box has an RRP of £161.45. There we go, there's a sneak peek, and we have a full box, so let's get to unboxing this to see exactly what we've got. Just quickly back to the edit card, there just has a little one-liner there. So it says, it's the season of love, DBB fam. February is the month of love, and this month we are giving double. First product we have in the box is this. You may have noticed there's 2 products there. So they are both by the brand Jacka Black, and it's eyes and face. So we have a brow seal with an RRP of £14, and we have a hydrating primer with an RRP of £16. So the brow seal, it says, keep your brow hairs in place and set any brow products used in one easy swipe. With a brow seal from Jagger Black, enjoy a waterproof formula that lasts up to 24 hours. And then for the primer, it says, helping your makeup last longer and having moisturised skin is no longer an issue. This primer helps do both, and it's suitable for all skin types. It also features wonderful aloe vera to help maintain moisture. They are cruelty-free and vegan. Oh, let's take a closer look. So we'll start off with the brow gel. Nice, very pretty. Just looks like a normal mascara wand. Ah. So this is what that looks like, and yeah, it is clear. Oh yeah, that's just a plastic little comb thing there. Nice. Oh, that looks like it's going to comb through your eyebrows. Lovely, actually. I'm going to leave this out and use it tomorrow morning when I do my makeup to see what that's like, because yeah, really interesting. And it's nice because we do get Jagger Black in a lot of other beauty boxes. The same products tend to do the rounds. This is a new product in a beauty box by Jagger Black that I've received in any way. I've never received this before, so yeah, super excited to give it a try. Like I was saying, one of the ones that generally does rotate around the beauty boxes is this one. I have a few in my drawer, but I haven't used it yet, so I might leave this out tomorrow morning as well to give it a try, just to try and get through some of them I have. But yeah, that's what that looks like. Yeah, hydrating primer for the face. I mean, I love the brand. They do some really, really nice makeup bits. So definitely happy about getting 2 products for the first product. Second product, or should I say third product, but we'll stick to the card. The second product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Eclat Skincare, and it's a 24 karat gold T-bar facial massager. It has a value of £75. It says sculpt, firm and tone your skin with a 24 karat gold micropulse face massager. This electric face massager is also designed to relieve muscle tension and promote healthy skin whilst boosting circulation, improving elasticity, reducing puffiness and minimizing fine lines. Simply apply moisturizer, face cream or oil and move the device around your face for 5 to 10 minutes, and it requires AA batteries. Yeah, I used to have one of these years ago, not by this brand. It was a cheapy one. I picked it up off eBay. It was like a no-brander and it was rubbish. But Eclat Skincare, this is going to be good. This brand is an expensive brand. So, we open it up. Comes with a little pouch, which is nice. I can order that. You can feel the quality in it when you pick it up. It's great. Yeah, so that's where your batteries go there. I haven't got any batteries to hand, but I can't wait to try that out. I love facial tools, especially when you get a new one and it's a novelty to play with them. But yeah, looks nice, and as I say, you can really feel the quality. So the third item in the box we have is this. And yeah, it's 2 products again. So they are by the brand Grounded Body, and it's bath and body. We have a body scrub with a value of £10, and we have a body butter with a value of £25. Let's have a look. So the scrub, it says get glowing soft silky skin with a grapefruit coffee scrub filled with antioxidants, vitamins and minerals that will help slough away dry flaky skin and leave brightened skin behind. And then for the body butter, it just says delight your skin with the Egyptian Gold 1% retinol body butter. Formulated to encourage cell turnover, prevent rough patches, target pigmentation and an even skin tone, and promote visibly tighter skin. Oh yes, yes. I need tighter skin, definitely. With losing a bit of weight, I have a bit of loose skin here and there, so definitely have to give that a try. But that little thing there has an RP of £25. I can't wait to try that. Coffee scrubs. I do love coffee scrubs. I adore coffee scrubs. I just hate the mess that it leaves behind afterwards. But it will certainly get used at some point when I can be bothered with the cleanup. But yeah, I've never heard of the brand before. I am intrigued. I can't wait to use these, especially this. So the fourth product in the box that we have is this. And again, the fourth product seems to look like 2 products to me. So these are by the brand Noughty, and it's neck and body. So we have a Hero body wash with a value of £6.50, and we have a neck and décolleté serum, décolletage, I always say it weird, I do apologise, which has a value of £14.95. They look really nice. So let's have a look. So the body wash, it says start and end your day with a Body Hero. The Hero body wash, made to condition, hydrate and rejuvenate the skin whilst also cleansing. Made with sea buckthorn oil to support the skin's barrier, and trusty hyaluronic acid to help maintain moisture. The neck and décolletage serum, it says specifically designed for neck and décolletage area. This serum is created with natural ingredients such as grapeseed oil, which is rich in antioxidants, water, shamrock extract to help tighten and tone the skin. I'm liking this whole tightening thing. And shamrock neutralizes free radicals. Additionally, niacinamide has been added, otherwise known as vitamin B3, to help improve appearance of skin, cruelty-free and vegan. And sorry, I forgot to mention as well, the other products, the body butter and scrub, are vegan and cruelty-free as well. But yeah, nice affordable brand, I must say. I've had lots of products by this brand, not these 2 though, so really happy with that. That's going straight in my bathroom, and I can't wait to use that because yeah, again, since losing weight, I have lots of crepiness going on here, depending on what angle you get me at. We got crepey wrinkles going on, and so yeah, really cool guys. So this edit is called Double the Love, and it is the February Discovered Beauty box. What do you think? Personally, I think it's another fantastic box. It really is. I can't wait to try the beauty tool out. Honestly, can't wait to use that by such an amazing brand as well. That's going to be so cool. So yeah, we have the Naughty range here, the body wash and the serum. Yeah, if it tightens and if it works, amazing. We have the 2 items by Jacka Black. Yeah, I love the comb on the one thing that's going to comb through the brows. That looks really cool because my brows are stubborn. And the primer, yeah, that's all right, not bad. We've got the body butter there for that little tiny thing, is £25, but it's got retinol in it, and that also helps tighten the skin, which again, if it does that, I'll be so happy. And then the coffee scrub, yeah, I honestly think this box is fabulous. Personally, what I would have thought, it might be a dated thing, but with it being especially Double the Love and being Valentine's and all of that, I think it would have been nice to get like a lip product. Is that just me? But that's not criticising the box at all, because the box is fantastic. But yeah, massive thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Again, if you are interested in this box, this is sold out. You have to get it before the 10th of every month, but I've never been disappointed with a box. So if you want to subscribe, you subscribe now, you'll get next month's box. The link down below will get you a few pounds off, so definitely use that to save some pennies. Yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.